Pause for a moment and try to answer this yourself. Now, if you have tried yourself, let's see how many did you get correct. Fill in the blanks with would, may, must, might, or can. We wondered when the boring movie would end. The old car might break down anytime. You can also use may here. They might go abroad next year. You can also use might here. I can swim much faster now. You must reach school in time. Put the adjectives given in brackets against each sentence in the right order and fill in each blank. The inspector looked at the anxious, pale face of the culprit. The handsome young man standing behind you is a famous poet. The women who have come from the flood-hit areas are wearing the same old clothes every day. There has been no rain in Zamsam this year. It is sad to look at the rocky barren land. The woman in the white sari is a daring new police officer. Match words which have similar meaning. Occurrence, incident, change, alter, meditate, think deeply, form, strong, disappear, vanish. Again pause for a moment and try to answer this. Now use the suitable form of the words in the first column above to fill the blanks in the sentences given below. Pause the video and try to answer this. The plane disappeared behind a cloud. Disappeared behind a cloud. This house has a strong foundation. A leopard never changes its spots. Robbery is now an everyday occurrence. Many people believe that an hour of meditation in the morning will lead to peace of mind. Write out these words using ER or OR, whichever is correct. Computer, ER, COMPUTER, debtor, 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 receiver, RECEIVER, purvey, PURVEYOR, surveyor, SURVEYOR, fender, 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 tenor, 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 auditor, 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 arbiter, 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 matador, MATADOR, conductor, 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 alter, ALTER, alter. Let's use the dictionary. Select the correct word or words given in brackets and write out the sentences. When in doubt, consult the dictionary. We need a lot of bread. He makes too many mistakes. The dictionary contains a large amount of information. I speak a little French. There were a few Japanese in the hall. Here's a piece of advice. For English practices like this, subscribe to our channel. If you want to practice your English more, click on this video. YouTube thinks you may like it.